Hello everyone. So we would be designing the terracotta elephant pendant. So this is what the outline we have just got it in you can see my last video. In this particular video I'll just leave a description where how we are going to just get the outline, like just a rough outline of the elephant design. You can just check it in the description box below. Now what we are doing in this particular video, I'm just going to show how we are going to design this particular elephant. Simple designing would be better. So let's start. To define the eye of the elephant, we have just made some design on the front part of the elephant face. As you can see, I have just used double lines here to define the front section of the elephant face. Now what we have to do is we have to just take a pen riffle. This is a simple pen riffle where I'll be defining the eye for the elephant. So just have to take the riffle and just define an eye for the elephant here. Just press it very gently. Okay, so you can see that we have got an eye for the elephant. Now what we have to do is I'll just continue with the designing. So here you can see that this is the second part. This is the designing on the background of this elephant. Now if you want to define the legs of the elephant, we can just simply define it by a horizontal line. Double lines would be okay, I feel. So this is what you can see, right? Now if we want, we can define we can just make some design at the center portion. So what I'll do is I'll just make use of these two vertical lines. Okay, and okay, so this is what we can define it, and this is the okay, so this is what the simple design for the elephant terracotta making. So this is what the design, and in my next video I'll be showing you the colored elephant. Till then, please like and subscribe my channel if you liked my video. Thank you. Thanks a lot everyone.